So I finally got these red LEDs. They're gonna go on my traffic advisory lights. Should be a direct replacement. We'll see how it goes. Basically, I'll be replacing this one and this one. They're gonna be red instead of amber. Replace them, you just gotta take off both screws that are right there. Once you unscrew them, you just pop them out. Probably be good to use a flathead for this. You only got flathead. So I did find out you have to take out 2 bolts on the side, but they rusted and they do not want to come off. So I'm gonna have to take off all of these to get to the wire. So a little update, it's actually easier if you just take out these 2. You can actually get to the wire back there, and all I gotta do is just connect that into there. Before you start actually digging in there, it's probably best to just take out this one and test to see if the lights are working. So I'm gonna do that right now. So that's the red one, that's LED number 1. This one is LED number 2. It's working as well. Perfect. Alright, after you connect the red one, just simply put that back in there, install the amber one, and then same process for this side. Just a new setup for the traffic advisory. Red in the outer, amber in the middle. That's it. Just make sure you don't over tighten them. You don't want to strip the bolts or screws. And that's it.